Learn these 5 skills in 2025 and escape the 9-to-5 grind. Real income stats inside. Let's be real for a second. Most of us weren't born to sit in traffic for an hour, shuffle into a cubicle, clock in at 9, stare at screens all day, and then drag ourselves home just to do it all again tomorrow. It's not exactly the dream life we imagined when we were younger, right? The truth is, the traditional 9-to-5 model is becoming more outdated every year. The internet, automation, and the global freelance economy have completely rewritten the rules. And in 2025, more people than ever are breaking free from the grind, working from anywhere, and earning on their own terms. But here's the catch, it's not just about quitting your job. You need the right skills. Not just any skills, but high-value, future-proof skills that companies are actively hiring for, freelancers are thriving with, and entrepreneurs are building empires around. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 powerful skills that can help you escape the 9-to-5, work remotely, earn daily, and design a life you don't need a vacation from. And yes, we've got real income stats to prove this isn't just hype.
Sharing Spark Hub, where innovation meets action.
Number 1, digital marketing. First up, digital marketing. If the internet were a city, digital marketers would be the people putting up the billboards, creating the buzz, and making sure the right people walk into the right stores. Every business needs visibility. Whether it's a small online shop, a personal brand, or a billion-dollar company, they all rely on digital marketing to reach their audience. This covers everything from running Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok ads, optimizing Google search rankings through SEO, creating email campaigns that get opened, managing influencer partnerships that move the needle. The best part? You don't need a degree. You need creativity, strategy, and a willingness to test, tweak, and learn. Free platforms like Google Skillshop, Meta Blueprint, and HubSpot Academy offer certifications that actually matter in the industry. Once you've got the basics, you can start small, freelancing for local businesses, consulting for startups, or building your own agency from scratch. Income potential. Beginner freelancers, $25 to $50 per hour. Experienced marketers, $100 to $200 per hour or more. Agencies, $1,000 to $10,000 per campaign. Real stat. Global digital ad spend will exceed $700 billion in 2025. That's not just money flowing, it's opportunity knocking. Mini tip. If you want to stand out, specialize in a niche like real estate marketing, e-commerce, or healthcare. Specialists charge more. Skill number 2, copywriting. Next is copywriting, and no, it's not about legal documents. This is writing that sells. Think about it. Every ad, every product page, every email that made you click "Buy now" was written by a copywriter. Copywriting is about understanding human psychology, telling a story, and making the reader feel like they need what's being offered. Here's the beauty, you don't need a fancy English degree. You just need to study what works. Analyze successful ads, break down why headlines grab attention, and practice writing until your words feel effortless. Great places to start learning: Copy Hackers, Udemy, and even YouTube deep dives into ad breakdowns. Income potential. Freelancers, $100 to $300 per project starting out. Experienced, $5,000 to $10,000 per month or more for retainer clients. Real stat. Businesses that invest in quality copy see conversion rates jump by up to 113%. That's double the sales without spending more on ads. Pro move. Combine copywriting with digital marketing and you become a one-stop conversion machine, and you can charge double. Skill number 3, video editing. Third up, video editing. Let's face it, video rules the internet. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, even LinkedIn video posts, they're all exploding. And every creator or brand that wants to post regularly needs one thing: editors. If you can take raw footage, cut it cleanly, add smooth transitions, sync music and sound effects, and make a video feel professional, you're golden. Learn tools like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. And here's the key: start small. Edit for yourself, edit for friends, or trade your editing skills for testimonials. Income potential. Freelancers, $50 to $200 per video. Full-time editors, $3,000 to $7,000 per month. Real stat, the global video content market is growing at 12% annually and will hit $250 billion by 2025. AI Edge, use AI tools like Descript or Runway to speed up editing, but don't rely on them entirely. The human creative touch is what makes you irreplaceable. Skill number 4, web development. Fourth, web development. If digital marketing is the billboard, web development is building the store itself. From landing pages to e-commerce sites to full-blown apps, developers are the architects of the online world. Learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript gives you a solid foundation. Then branch into frameworks like React, Vue, or backend tech like Node.js and Python. Not a coder yet? No problem. You can also explore no-code platforms like Webflow or Bubble. These let you build sites faster and still charge premium rates. Income potential. Freelancers, $500 to $5,000 per project. Full-time developers, $70,000 to $150,000 per year. Real stat, there are over 1.7 billion websites out there, and thousands more go live daily. The demand isn't going away, it's growing. Pro tip, if you learn to both design and develop, you can offer end-to-end website services, which means more income from each client. Skill number 5, AI prompt engineering. Finally, AI prompt engineering. This is the youngest skill on the list, but easily one of the fastest growing. With tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Claude becoming part of daily workflows, companies need people who can get exactly the right outputs from AI. Think of it like speaking a new language, one where you tell the machine what you want, and it gives you a result that saves hours of work. Prompt engineers blend writing, strategy, and experimentation. The applications? Marketing, coding, design, data analysis, you name it. Income potential. Freelancers, $50 to $150 per hour. Salaried roles, $100,000 plus. Real stat, AI-related jobs are growing by 38% annually through 2030. And the best part, you can start learning today by experimenting with free AI tools. Bonus tip, stack your skills. Here's where it gets exciting, stack your skills. Don't just learn one. Combine copywriting with digital marketing. Pair video editing with web development. Use AI to supercharge everything. Skill stacking makes you more valuable, more versatile, and way harder to replace. It also gives you multiple income streams, freelance gigs, consulting, products, and even your own agency. Conclusion. So there you have it. 5 high-income, future-proof skills that can help you escape the 9-to-5 and take control of your life. Whether you're fresh out of school, switching careers, or just tired of the rat race, start now. Your job title doesn't define you. Your skills and your mindset do. Which skill will you start with? Drop it in the comments. And if you found value here, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's ready for their career upgrade in 2025.
That's a wrap, but your journey is just beginning. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep sparking success. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and let's make magic happen together. Sharing Spark Hub, where innovation meets action. #Spark your success.